When it comes to private land surveying in Bhubaneswar, one name that stands out is Scon Design India Private Limited. As a reputable and reliable surveying company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to meet the needs of individuals, businesses, and organizations in the region. With their team of experienced and skilled land surveyors, they are able to accurately measure and map out private lands for various purposes. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy in their work. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment and advanced surveying techniques to ensure that their measurements are as precise as possible. This enables them to provide clients with accurate data and detailed maps that can be used for various purposes such as property development, boundary determination, and construction planning. One of the key advantages of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd as a private land surveyor is their extensive knowledge of the local regulations and guidelines. They are well versed in the land surveying laws and regulations in Bhubaneswar, ensuring that their work is compliant with all legal requirements. This knowledge and expertise enable them to navigate through complex land issues and provide clients with reliable and legally sound surveying services. If you are in need of a private land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As an established and reputable company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers professional land surveying services to clients in Bhubaneswar and the surrounding areas. Whether you are planning a construction project, need to determine property boundaries, or require topographic mapping, our team of experienced land surveyors is here to assist you. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and precision in every surveying project. We utilize state-of-the-art surveying equipment and techniques to ensure that our clients receive reliable and detailed survey data. Our team of skilled surveyors has extensive knowledge of the local area and regulations, allowing us to provide comprehensive and accurate survey reports. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we prioritize client satisfaction and strive to exceed expectations with every project we undertake. We understand that each client has unique requirements and objectives, and we tailor our services to meet their specific needs. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or government agency, we have the expertise to handle projects of any size and complexity. Our private land surveying services include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and subdivision planning. We work closely with our clients to understand their project goals and provide them with the necessary data to make informed decisions. Our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality surveying services in a timely manner, ensuring that our clients can move forward with their projects without delay.